Well, hi, my name is Suzanne, and I get to work for the Cobb County Public Library System. And today you have clicked into School Age Celebrate and Participate, where all of our activities center around uplifting National Day holidays that your school ager can enjoy participating in and sharing with their friends. Now this week we are going to recognize National Bubble Wrap Appreciation Day, which falls on the last Monday of January. But we're going to go ahead and celebrate all week, well, because we can. And this week we are going to make upcycled bubble wrap art. We'll include a STEM element and of course a bubble wrap popping challenge, competition, whatever you want it to be. If you're local to the West Cobb Regional Library, we even have a kit with all of the items that you need to complete this activity. And so you can just come to the library and pick it up. Now, if we're still closed for curbside pickup, all you have to do is when you call and say you're going to pick up your holds, just say, I want the School Age Celebrate and Participate kit. Or you can just say, I want the School Age kit, and they'll know what you're talking about. So, are you ready to get started? Let's do that. Okay. Let's make some upcycled art. I cut off a small piece of the bubble wrap, making sure that it had a nice full bubble. So I have the bubble here. I'm going to start out with yellow, but what I'm going to do is I want to get this bubble wrap wet. So I'm going to dip my marker in the water and then I'm going to color it on the bubble. As simple as that. I'm going to start with the light colors. Ooh, and it's got a little bit of green on it. Let's go ahead and add maybe a little bit of blue. Ooh, look at that blue. That's a strong color, that blue. Ooh, we turned a couple of them blue, but you can still see the yellow behind it. There's purple. Let's go ahead and add some of that purple to the blue. Look how pretty that's looking. And then, what would happen if we added a little bit of red to that? What do you think? And then if you want, you can just get your bubble wrap wet and kind of mix it up a little bit. I'm going to give my birds 2 legs. And this is how easy it is to make the feet. And this one has long legs. Do they look like birds yet? Let's go ahead and add a beak. I'm going to go ahead and put the feathers on. You watching? I can come up here, do a curly cue. Now we're missing one thing. Well, we're missing a couple things. How about we give them some eyes? And then let's go ahead and give them, how about some wings? There we go. So now we have our birds. How about we make a sun? Let's go ahead and take our little bubble wrap. Let's go ahead and put some yellow on here and some orange. I'm going to put the orange on the outside of the yellow. Now let's see what it looks like. We're going to make our sun up here. So there's our sun. Let's go ahead and give the sun some rays. There are your birds with the sun. I can't wait to see what yours looks like. Well, I hope you had fun making your upcycled bubble wrap art, and make sure you print out the bubble wrap worksheet because that has our STEM element and other holidays for the week of the 25th to the end of January that you can celebrate or find out about. So until next time, we'll see ya.